Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be making, I don't really know what we're going to be making. We can make it into a store. We can make it into anything. So right now, let's just make it a store. So first what you're going to want to do is make a lobby screen, which is simple. Just a few clicks and stuff. Alright, I'll be skipping this part, so see ya. Alright, so this is what we have, but to make this look more interesting, we can do, and then we get something like this. We can do it like this. We can do this. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So, now that we got that, we're going to be making a play button. So, make a sprite and name it play. Then once we have the play button, we got to make a few more stuff. Yeah. This is pretty simple. I've used this for multiple of my Scratch stuff, which you can find. So, we got a play button. Alright, so what we're going to be doing with this simple thing is make it a bit more looking like a play button, which is by literally adding the name play onto it. You can change its style to anything you want. You can change its color. For right now, I'm just going to be using the simple sans serif. Alright, so now that we got the play button, we're going to be adding a few bit more code. Hold on, I need to reset that because it's lagging. Switch to costume 1. What if I do? Yeah, that's good. Alright, so what you want to do is make that X slowly go to the middle, but change the Y to however you want. So if you see it not even close to Y, change it. If you don't even see it close to 0, change it to 0. Alright, so now that we got that, we're going to be adding a show, and then when this sprite clicked, broadcast start of game. Alright, once you got start of game, you are going to make this hide. So now once you have that, you will have that happening. So now we're going to do something to the background, which is pretty easy. Let's make a normal background, just like this. Alright, so you can add a bit more detail if you want. For right now, I'm just going to be doing a simple one, but also adding a few grass shards, like this. Alright, so now that we got that, we are going to do all this stuff. And click switch backdrop to backdrop. Okay, now that we have that, this is what it will be. Pretty good so far. You can add music if you want. Time to add the character. You can name it character, player 2, or something. It's your choice. So, what you want to do is make your own character, but since this is a tutorial, I'm not going to be wasting any time and just use Scratch Alright, so now that we got Scratch, we are gonna make him. You're gonna make him bigger. Change the lines if you want, because that's what I'm doing. You don't have to, but that's what I'm doing. This is pretty taking long, but it's okay. It's okay. 5, so much 5. Alright, so now that we got that, we are gonna make him literally larger. And then we got this. So then you're gonna make a table or a sign thing. But for now, I'm gonna make a table. Okay, so now we got this. So now that we have our character, maybe change the size so it doesn't cause lag. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is when clicked, hide, go to that. Yes. Now that we got that, when I receive start of game, show. And go, well, there's really nothing there, so it won't be a big deal. So once we got that, you're gonna get a texting thing, like, no, that's the wrong one. I have so much stuff in my dang backpack. Can't keep track of anything. Alright, this. This is what you need. Does that bring along this? No. Alright, so once you got this, you are gonna put it inside your character. Pause it if you're gonna copy the code or just find it. Alright, so now that you got that, you're gonna make another block which defines, say, question, and then put question. So now we need to do another thing which I kind of got wrong a few times. So now we're gonna literally copy this, but you see these 2 red blocks that say text, that are from the defined say text. So what we want to do is change it to question instead. You can make how many more you want, but this is what I'll be doing. Okay, so now we need to get the sound for him, which I'll just be searching up meow because that's his voice. I like meow better. Okay, that's good. So now, switch it to meow. Or anything you want. You can use your own voice, you can use a sound from there. But let's just use meow since this is Scratch Cat. So we're gonna say, hello, welcome to my shop, is what I have so far. And also if you're copying off this, change that because that's probably gonna make you wait too long. So change it to like 0.3 or something. Say, what would you like to order? Let's test that. That's pretty good. So, now what we're going to do is add a few things. It doesn't take that long. Alright, so here. If you want a secret one, but first add a question thingy. Let's read that too. Alright, so so since you have, say, question, you're also gonna need a ask question thing. Oh my god, what did I just do? No. Alright, we got that. So, say question. Ask question. So now that you have the ask question thing, if answer equals T or something, you can add whatever you like. For right now, I'm going to add T, and no, I am not British. Say, alright, a British type A? Here you go. Alright, but instead of an if-then, we need an if-then else. So, also add a stop whole thing if you want. Stop all. Else, alrighty. Here you go. Alrighty, here you go. Alright, so let's try testing this. Shall we? Alright, let's test this. Alright, so scratch store, yeah. Then go. Let's try ordering something. Literally something. Let's try tea. Let's try tea. Alright, so now that we got that, the Scratch project is finished. You can add more costumes if you want to represent each of what they're saying. But what I like to do is just simple. And that will be it for today. I'll see you guys later.